ज्ञानवापी वापस दे दीजिए। ज्ञानवापी वापस दे दीजिए।
ज्ञानवापी पे चल रहा है, आप
वापस दे दीजिए।
आप सब ले लीजिए।
40,000 प्लेसेस, गिव इट ऑल बैक।
देखिए, वो कहते हैं कि अलीगढ़ के बच्चों की लौंडों की बदतमीजी है पाकिस्तान।
अलीगढ़ के लॉन्डों की जो अय्याशी है वो भारत पे बहुत भारी पड़ी है। मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स, मिलियंस ऑफ विमेन वर रेप्ड एंड पेरेडेड नेकेड, एंड दिस इज डिसमिस्ड एज अलीगढ़ के लॉन्डों की अय्याशी। द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस आर्गुमेंट इज दैट अ पाकिस्तानी हिंदू रेफ्यूजी हु हैज कम थ्रू अ लेजिटिमेट रेफ्यूजी चैनल इज बीइंग इक्वेटेड विद अ बांग्लादेशी मुस्लिम इमिग्रेंट हु हैज कम थ्रू द इलीगल चैनल। व्हाट इज माय फ्रेंड्स पोजीशन ऑन द यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड?
See, this is what I learned during my days in debating. If a man attacked, see, this is the problem. This is the problem. We started with Bhartiyata. We started with Dharma. It ended up coming to Muslim from Pakistan. Like every single time. Is that Dharma? What about your own existence? Why are you not proud of that? I come from Banaras. संस्कृत संकट मोचन मंदिर के प्रांगण में खेला हूं मैं मुसलमान हूं, मैं 5 वक्त का नमाजी हूं, मैं सब रोजे से हूं।
वापस दे दीजिए।
ठीक है, लेकिन मैं वो भारत को रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं।
ज्ञानवापी वापस दे दीजिए। ज्ञानवापी वापस दे दीजिए।
ज्ञानवापी पे चल रहा है,
वापस दे दीजिए।
अरे आप सब ले लीजिए।
अढ़ाई चोपड़ा वापस दे दीजिए।
देखिए,
अदीना मस्जिद वापस दे दीजिए। 40,000 प्लेसेस, गिव इट ऑल बैक।
देखिए, ये मैं जीत चुका हूं, यहाँ हो गई तकलीफ। अब आप सुनिए, मैं उसकी बात करता हूं 1946 की। 1946 में इन्होंने कहा कि 2-4 लोगों ने वोट दिया, 2 गए। भाई, वोट का अधिकार कितनों को मिला था? आपने उस टाइम पे भी अंग्रेजों ने ही दिया था, जो दया भाव था, या हम जीते थे, जो कह लो।
But you can't deny the facts.
No, I'm not denying. See.
80%.
80% कहाँ? I'm denying this. It's not 80%.
86.
आपने 100 लोगों में, 100 लोग की जनसंख्या में से 10 को दिया वोट का अधिकार। वो 10 थे जमींदार जिनको मिला, जिनको कहते हैं कि अलीगढ़ के बच्चों की लौंडों की बदतमीजी है पाकिस्तान। हमेशा ये कहा जाता है कि अलीगढ़ के लौंडों की बदमाशी है ये। तो ये वही था पाकिस्तान, तो अलीगढ़ के लौंडों की बदमाशी था। उन्हीं को तो आपने अधिकार दिया था वोट का। हम जैसे, चलो हमारे भी रहा होगा, हमारे ठीक ठाक घर से आता हूं मैं, लेकिन बाकी जो गरीब थे वो थे, उनको अधिकार नहीं मिला था, औरतों का अधिकार नहीं मिला था, एक तबके को मिला था। वो तबका पाकिस्तान चला गया, उसको वहां पे बहुत जमीन मिली है, वो बहुत अमीरी से, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ने तो अपना जमींदारी एबॉलिशन भी नहीं किया, तो इन लोगों के पास जमीन वमीन है, वो वहां खुश हैं। हम आज तक उनका झेल रहे हैं। हमसे तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं था, हमारे पास तो वोट था ही नहीं।
तो अगर वो इतने
हम पे उसका इल्जाम क्यों है?
on the idea of Pakistan, and if they now find that the idea is not a good one, in fact they are getting actually discriminated because of who they are in Pakistan, then it's not our responsibility to rehabilitate.
It is not a responsibility for Hindus also. Sovereignty की बात हुई थी ना, अपने बॉर्डर की बात हुई थी। हिंदुस्तान की बात होती है तो हिंदुस्तान के लोगों की बात होती है। आप सिटीजनशिप नेचुरलाइजेशन का आपके पास पूरा प्रोसेस था, 12 साल में पूरा होता था, एक बहुत अच्छा डेवलप किया था। पार्लियामेंट के पास वो राइट था, पार्लियामेंट के पास आज भी वो राइट है। 12 साल में मिलता है कि आप यहाँ पे 11 साल हिंदुस्तान में रहें, 1 साल आप लगातार रहें, या तो आप हिंदुस्तान में रहे हैं या हिंदुस्तान की सरकार की आपने सेवा की है। इसमें क्या बुराई थी? खैर, आपने कहा चलो हम एक्सपेडाइट करेंगे, एक्सपेडाइट भी नहीं हो रहा है।
इसमें क्या बुराई थी?
Hindustan has no civilizational obligation to the Hindus of Pakistan. Fair enough. That's what he keeps saying. 12 times he's just dropped the word Hindustan. Second, अलीगढ़ के लॉन्डों की जो अय्याशी है वो भारत पे बहुत भारी पड़ी। ओके, बहुत भारी पड़ी। Millions of people lost their lives. Millions of women were raped and paraded naked. And this is dismissed as Aligarh ke London ki ayyashi. How insensitive to the people have actually done this?
Millions में सारे हैं।
That's the funny part. This is the funny part.
Millions में कोई एक कौम नहीं है।
Here's the funny part. So the point I'm trying to make is, we discuss the obligation that independent Bharat has an obligation towards Hindus and Sikhs living in undivided Pakistan. This discussion happens from 45, 46, 47 because the conversation has already started. After the Lahore resolution and Karachi resolution, it's absolutely clear that Pakistan has become a reality. So then on, the questions start getting addressed. The Constituent Assembly starts, it's formulated in August 1946. Subsequently, once the conversations start, we actually keep a few seats open in the hope that Pakistan doesn't become reality. That is the extent to which we went. When we realized this is not going to happen, we switched the conversation to ask the question, what do we do to those people who are being held hostage? Because the history of this period will show that Pakistan decided to use the non-Muslim population of that particular area as a hostage population to negotiate with Bharat. The entire basis for the Nehru-Liaquat Pact ultimately was this. Let's assume for a moment that we don't owe an obligation to the Hindus of Pakistan and Pakistan doesn't have a duty with respect to Muslims of India. Why did the fount of everything that's great in this country, Shri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, choose to enter into a Nehru-Liaquat Pact where both of us are assuring the other with respect to the safety of religious minorities in their country? What is this basis then? Ultimately, at the political level and at the constitutional level, we have accepted that we have a civilizational duty towards these minorities.
Anas,
This
that's
is
a valid
documented
point.
fact.
That is
That's
a
a very
valid
valid
point.
point. See,
There you go.
I'm neither holding brief for Nehru, nor I'm
No, no,
holding
you-
brief
you
for
please
Pakistan.
answer the
first of
specific
all.
question. Forget
But
about holding
I
a brief.
completely agree with that. At that point,
So we are now
Nehru-Liaquat-
executing that civilizational brief.
No. Allow me. The civilization, Nehru-Liaquat Pact, what did it say? It said कि भाई तुम अपनी तरफ के माइनॉरिटीज की वो करो, हम अपनी तरफ के करेंगे. वो चल रहा है, वो वहां भी चल रहा है, यहां भी चल रहा है. नहीं हो रहा है, आप इंटरनेशनल फोरम्स पे प्रेशर डाल सकते हैं. हिंदुस्तान बहुत मजबूत है, हमने पाकिस्तान को बहुत पीटा हुआ है भाई. आप क्या बात करते हैं? हम हर जंग जीते हैं, डिप्लोमेसी में हम उनसे ऊपर हैं, हर चीज में हम विश्वगुरु हैं, मदर ऑफ
Talk
डेमोक्रेसी
about
हैं.
the spirit of the agreement
हाँ,
gave both the countries a say in the welfare of the religious minorities across each other's borders.
Right.
Because of our history.
Unfortunately, in Pakistan, they broke that contract, that agreement. Now we fear for the future of the religious minorities, the Hindus, the Sikhs, the Christians, the Buddhists, the Jains, and the others.
Christians
So they
also.
say, where are the Jews? Well, there was only
Christian-
one Jew according to the census of Pakistan.
Yeah.
So they are
Jews-
saying that
Jews
because
is
you do
not
not
a
include
question.
Jews.
That's not the
So
point.
here's the point. If you read Articles 5 to 11 of the Constitution, that is entirely Pakistan-centric when you're defining citizenship as part of your own constitution because you realize that there's a continuing cord that connects you with the people there. It also speaks of how many people can go there. When you come back, what happens to your citizenship, so on and so forth. So in the backdrop of your specific history of the subcontinent, considering the basis for the partition, for us to say we owe no obligations whatsoever, despite the Nehru-Liaquat Pact, according to me, is to make an argument in vacuum when there are clear documented facts to the contrary.
Look, I get the sense.
मैं
Can
अपनी
I
बात
ask a
को कह भी
provocative
नहीं पाया
question?
था, लेकिन I'm very thankful to my friend here. He knows that I'm fasting and I can't speak much, so he's doing all the
no,
speaking
मेरा
for me.
Tuesday fast चल रहा है.
नहीं आप पानी तो
हनुमान जी का
पी सकते
fast
हो
चल
कि
रहा है.
नहीं? हाँ, तो but I'm being thankful to you. Why are you getting agitated? I'm just being thankful to you. Don't get so angry. You need not be so angry. हम लोग बहुत गुस्से वाले हो गए. क्या हो गया है? शांत रहो यार. अच्छा है सब. ठीक
These are
है.
responses to my arguments. Please continue.
हाँ, अब मैं आता हूँ उस बात पे. मैंने कहा मेरा सीए से कोई क्वारल नहीं, मैंने शुरू में ही कहा था. मैं फिर से वापस आ रहा हूं, मेरा क्वारल क्यों होगा? थोड़ा सा है, वो है अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी पे. मैं संविधान को मानता हूं. मैं संविधान के अगर कोई चीज अनुरूप नहीं है, कोई कानून, तो वो गलत है.
Okay, so
बाकी सब
one
कुछ
very
अलग
quick
है.
question that many people bring up, Article 14, ultra virus.
No,
to
I'm on Article 15. I'm not on Article 14.
15.
Okay.
A quick response. It's just ultra virus of the Constitution.
Can I
No, it's
explain
fantastic. I
that?
think
Then
it's
you
a
can
great
rebut
point.
that. Okay,
Okay.
my argument. Let me
Please
place
go
my
ahead.
argument.
Okay.
Section 31C of Citizenship Act, which came by the 2003 amendment, for the first time said that a child born in India will be an Indian citizen
That's
if
true.
either of the parent are Indian citizen and the other is not an illegal immigrant. I'll wrap it up. Okay? Is not an illegal immigrant. Now place this like this. I am a Muslim, born after 2003. I'm an Indian citizen. My mother is not.
Sure.
My mother is an illegal immigrant. Similarly placed, there is a Hindu kid. On the same footing. He can take advantage of the CA, I cannot. Article 15 says there cannot be a discrimination on the basis of race, religion, caste,
I'll answer
gender,
the
so on
question.
and so forth.
I'll
One
answer the
minute,
question.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
The problem with this argument is that a Pakistani Hindu refugee who has come through a legitimate refugee channel is being equated with a Bangladeshi Muslim immigrant who has come through the illegal channel as part of this particular
I'm talking
definition.
about born in
Therefore,
India.
When Pakistani Hindu
I'm
refugees...
talking about Indians. I'm
That's
not
exactly
even
what
talking
I'm
about
saying.
Pakistanis.
A Pakistani Hindu refugee and an Indian parent, so to speak, when they combine, you're actually, it's a marriage between an Indian citizen and a refugee within Bharat, which is recognized by an Indian law. But when an illegal migrant wants to marry a citizen, that is not the same as a refugee marrying a citizen. That's point number one. Two, since you're constantly being told equal treatment, we should be concerned about the people here, we should always think about only the people here. What is my friend's position on the Uniform Civil Code?
See this obsession. No, I'll
No, it's not an obsession.
No,
It's a legitimate
See,
question.
jumping, ज्ञानवापी दे दो, ये कर दो.
It is a part of the constitutional.
It's a matter of
no, no,
principle
it's
and
in the
constitutional law.
संविधान के पे I raised a question on point of law. You did not respond.
Mr. Anas, let's not
इधर
change
उधर
the
की बात कर रहे हो.
goalpost. He's asked you a valid question. We've got 20 seconds. I'm asking you. The Constitution itself says we should give ourselves a uniform civil code. The Supreme Court
No,
itself.
it is part of DPSP.
Yes,
it
yes,
is not
yes,
part
sir.
of fundamental right. First,
Sir, not
let me
enforceable.
realize my fundamental rights. That is the
Sir,
priority.
it is an objective of the Constitution of
No,
India.
fundamental
as
rights are
part
the
of-
priority. First, give me
Sir,
that.
it is a directive principle. You aspire towards that.
The state aspires for that.
It is an ideal that we must aspire to, as the Constitution also upholds many other ideals to aspire to. No, not times up.
You
answer.
won't give me time to respond, and you.
Please, go ahead. 1 minute.
See, no, you haven't even raised a question. What will I
No,
respond?
I've
to?
asked you. I said, how are you saying that this is a...
See, UCC is part of DPSP. मैं अभी फंडामेंटल राइट्स की लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूँ. अभी मेरे पास खाने को नहीं है. इस देश में इतने लोग हैं जिनके पास मूलभूत चीजें नहीं
So
है.
it's
आप
okay if exceptions
aspire
are
कर रहे
made
हैं
for
बड़ी
certain
बड़ी.
communities.
Exactly.
Those
Preserve
exceptions
our
can
respective
stay.
religious
Preserve-
freedoms and give us the
UCC
ability
में
to oppose
Article 12
anybody
में
else
मेरा
who is being
personal
actually
right
affected in
protected है.
Pakistan. That's the
Article
simple
12,
argument.
which is
Okay.
part of fundamental right, protects my personal right.
Okay, gentlemen, you know, I didn't anticipate such passion, but we find that, no, but look, at least debate is alive in this country. So tell all those people out there that we can debate without fear or favor even the trickiest issues in India today. I'll leave it at this. Thank you very much.